ever feel mentally drained even when you haven't done much? Like your brain just refuses to work no matter how much coffee you drink? Well, you're not lazy, your brain is simply tired. And today on Wired Sparks, we'll uncover why your brain gets exhausted and, most importantly, how you can fix it fast with simple science-backed tricks. Stick around till the end, because the last hack might surprise you. Part 1. Why your brain gets tired. 1. Mental energy is real. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy, even though it's just 2% of your body weight. Just like your muscles, it gets tired after heavy use. Constant decision-making, overthinking, or even scrolling TikTok all day drains it. 2. Decision fatigue. Every small choice, what to wear, what to eat, what to reply in DMs, consumes mental energy. By evening, your brain feels like it's been lifting weights all day. 3. Information overload. Gen Z consumes more information daily than any generation before. Social media, news, notifications, YouTube, school/work. The brain wasn't designed to handle endless streams of data, so it burns out. 4. Poor sleep and blue light. Sleep is like a brain reset. Without enough of it, your neurons don't recharge. Plus, too much screen time at night tricks your brain into staying alert mode, making mental exhaustion worse. Part 2. How to fix it fast. 1. The 90-minute rule. The brain works best in 90-minute focus cycles. After that, take a short break. This boosts productivity and prevents burnout. 2. Brain fuel snacks. Foods rich in omega-3, antioxidants, and magnesium, like nuts, dark chocolate, and blueberries, act like instant energy for your brain. 3. Micro breaks equals macro results. Just 2 minutes of stretching, walking, or deep breathing resets your mental state. Your brain clears out mental clutter and recharges quickly. 4. Digital detox moments. Even 10 minutes away from screens, preferably in nature or sunlight, calms your nervous system and restores energy levels. 5. Hydration hack. Dehydration is one of the most common causes of brain fatigue. Just a glass of water can sharpen focus within minutes. 6. Power of the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This relaxes eye strain and keeps your brain fresher. 7. The sleep reset. If nothing works, take a 15 to 20-minute power nap. NASA studies show it boosts alertness by 34% and performance by 54%. So, the next time your brain feels heavy and tired, remember, it's not about pushing harder, it's about recharging smarter. Try these hacks and see which one works best for you. Which brain fix are you going to try first? The 90-minute cycle, the power nap, or the digital detox? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found these tips useful, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Wired Sparks for more brain hacks, memory boosters, and Gen Z psychology tricks every week. See you in the next video. Till then, stay wired, stay sharp, stay sparked.